How to buy crypto with Amex credit card. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, firstly, you have to find a suitable platform that is acceptable by Amex for purchase of your crypto. Once you have found the suitable platform, you need to sign up and you have to fill out the KYC, after which you can easily link your Amex card to it. However, you must be aware of the fees that is associated within using a credit card to buy your cryptocurrency. Now, in order to buy a cryptocurrency, let me go ahead and show you an example. So currently, as for my crypto, I use Binance. Let me quickly tap open my app. Now in here in my Binance, as you can see, there is credit or debit card. So in here, all I have to do is simply tap on credit or debit card. Next step, to link my card, I would have to add some of the details regarding my card. That includes my card number, CVV and expiration date. Once added, just tap on buy crypto. After which, all you have to do is enter the amount of crypto that you want to purchase, and your card will be charged for it. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.